Good morning, children. I hope all are in good health. Take care of your health, isn't it? Now here, in which lesson we are? We are in reflection of light. Already I explained you the reflection of light. What are laws of reflection also I explained you. Here once again I will explain you. Here see, verification of laws of reflection. This is a mirror. You are saying this is a mirror. What is it? It is a mirror you are seeing here. Now here I am keeping the object, that is candle. I am keeping here candle. This is a candle. What is it? It is a candle. You are seeing here. It is a candle. Now here draw a perpendicular line. What is this perpendicular line? Is called the line which bisects the mirror. It is called as a normal. What do you call it? It is a normal. What do you call it? It is a normal line. Isn't it? Now here you will see the ray of light from the candle is falling on the mirror. You are seeing this. It is falling on the mirror. What do you call it? The ray of light which strikes on the mirror is called as incident ray. What do you call it? Incident ray. What do you call it? Incident ray. Isn't it? And the ray which bounces in the other direction with equal angle, with equal distance, with equal angle is called as reflected ray. What do you call it? Reflected ray. And the image which is formed behind the mirror, it will be equal in size. Here you are seeing the image formed behind the mirror. Draw with the dotted line. Image which is formed behind the mirror will be equal in size. So here you are seeing. So here this is the normal with the mirror is 90-degree angle. The angle formed between the incident ray and the normal is called as angle of incidence. What do you call it? Angle of incidence. And the angle formed between the normal and the reflected ray is called as angle of reflection. I means incident ray, R means reflected ray. And the angle of incidence is always equals to angle of reflection. Isn't it? Angle of incidence is always equals to angle of reflection. For example, here 60-degree angle is there for angle of incidence. So angle of reflection also will be 60 degrees only. Angle of incidence is 0 degrees. So the angle of reflection also will be 0 degrees. So angle of incidence is equals to angle of reflection. This is the law. And incident ray, normal, reflected ray lie on the same plane. This is the law of reflection. First law of reflection is angle of incident ray, normal, reflected ray lie on the same plane. Angle of incidence is equals to angle of reflection. This is second law. Third law is the incident ray and reflected ray lie on either side of the normal. This is the third law of reflection. Now here we know about we are able to see person who is walking on the road through a window or a door. Is it not? Yeah, yes. At the same time that person can also see us. Now here we will see. Is it possible to see that person while hiding yourself? Yes. See here. Make your own periscope. Own periscope. Periscope. What is a periscope? It is an instrument used by the army people to see the movement of the enemies. And even submarines also the periscope is useful. Now here how to make your own periscope. Take a agarbatti box. Take agarbatti box. What are the materials required for you? Agarbatti box is required. 2 mirror strips are required. Agarbatti box make your own box. A rectangular shape box you can make it. Agarbatti box, 2 mirror strips. Mirror strips, 2 mirror strips are required, and glue or Fevicol or candle you can use. Okay, these are the materials required to make it. So here, periscope. Now here, what you have to do here? Take a agarbatti box, and one more thing, periscope works on the principle of reflection of light only. Periscope works on the principle of reflection of light. Take a periscope, draw 2 squares. Draw 2 squares, 2 sides of the periscope with the pencil. Correct measurements. Take the correct measurements and draw 2 squares. Now, what you have to do here is, now draw 2 diagonals with parallel diagonals. Draw 2 diagonals here. Draw 2 diagonals. Okay. Now take a blade and slit this diagonal. Slit the diagonals. Slit the diagonal. Cut it. Isn't it? And fix the mirrors in these diagonals. The reflecting surfaces always face to each other. The reflecting surfaces always face to each other, and always the mirror, what is the angle required to fix the mirror? That is 45-degree angle you have to use. 45 degrees angle you have to fix the mirrors, 2 mirrors. And the mirror should be parallel. Okay? And the reflecting surfaces should face to each other. This is very important, very important. Then only the reflection takes place, then only you can see the image. Isn't it? Then only you will see the image. This arrangement is very important. Arrangement of mirrors are very important in the periscope. Always keep the reflecting surfaces to face each other, and the mirrors, 45-degree angle you have to take and fix up the mirror. Isn't it? Now here mirror. Now here cut the window. Here this is cut. Slit the windows. Window 1, window 2. To see the object, to see the image of the object. To see the image of the object, now your periscope is ready. You can use the glue for fixing the mirrors. You can use the glue for fixing the mirrors. Now your periscope is ready. If you observe from here, directly you can see the, suppose you are keeping your candle. From this window, you can see easily. Now, here what happens when you are keeping the window? Here the reflection takes place on the first mirror. Incident ray falls on the mirror. Incident ray from the light falls on the mirror, and it reflects back and reaches to your eyes. Understood? Now second mirror, how to do it? Second reflection, how to do it? Here it is. Here you are keeping. The ray of light falls on this mirror, in the second mirror, and it reaches to your eyes, and you are able to see the object. Then you are able to see the image of the object through the window too. So this is completely based on reflection of light. Another method is how to do another method. I will explain you. Take a cardboard. You have to fix up the cardboard. Four cardboards are required. This is called Z-shaped periscope. This is a Z-shaped periscope. Like this you have to make the periscope. Four strips are required. Cardboard strips. Four cardboard strips are required. Paste it. Now take mirror strips. Keep these open ends. Should not keep these ends. Okay. And now here fix the mirror with 45-degree angle. Fix the mirror with 45-degree angle. Here also fix the mirror with 45-degree angle. The mirror should be parallel. And the reflecting surfaces faces each other. Now here you are keeping the candle. The ray of light falling on this first mirror, that is incident ray, and it is reflected to the second mirror, and after reflection it reaches to your eyes and you are able to see the image of the object. Isn't it? This is another periscope. You can make this periscope or this periscope, but second one is little bit difficult to make it. Thank you children. Have a nice day.